Welcome back to the Nightcap, ladies and gentlemen. Today we'll be making another better than average drink in less than average time. So the Sevilla orange and soda is what is on store today. Go ahead, like, subscribe, share with your friends. This is going to call for 1.5 ounces of the Sevilla orange gin, 4 ounces of club soda. You can just finish it up in the glass, but we're going to just give you that tip of 4 ounces. And then we'll do 2 batches of bitters, not necessarily in that order. So let's get started. We will build it on some ice. So first things first, let's get the bag of ice out, put some in the glass so we can build upon it this evening for a delicious nightcap. There we go. We're going to hit it with 2 pow-pows of orange bitters. Then we will do 1.5 ounces of this Tanqueray Sevilla orange gin. It's nice and refreshing. Nice weather outside. Get out there with your friends, family, and just drink this. 1.5 ounces. And then finally, we'll finish that with 4 ounces of your club soda. Then, finish this up. Give it a nice stir, get all the drink going together, mixing it up. Don't have to go that crazy. That's about it. Finish that up with an orange. Please be Clark.